Welcome to the Stock Unlock Clips channel. This channel is dedicated to pulling clips from our weekly live streams on the main Stock Unlock channel and posting them here so it's easy to find and access different talking points that we cover. Make sure to subscribe for more and come join the fun on our weekly live streams over at the Stock Unlock main YouTube channel every Saturday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern. With that said, we really hope you enjoy this clip.
One of the last things I wanted to highlight, which I think is, maybe a good note to end on with some of these just like big themes. One thing I really want to double click on that you said is I'm going to not exactly quote you, but slowly be buying and putting shares into this over time. That is important. So just to take the term out of that, dollar cost averaging, buying stocks over time with basically not huge chunks of money, generally, and this again is not financial advice, is generally safer than just loading the boat with one buy. I think one mistake I made in 2020/2021, definitely, we're all human, getting caught up in the hype a bit. Let's say I had X dollars to invest and maybe I had a 5-month horizon. If I saw a good deal, I might have put just like half of my money into it. I was like, this is great. And that could end up being good or bad, but there is a lot of maturity that comes with the patience of buying a little bit at a time over time. If you look at statistics and math, there are mathematical arguments you could make that style of investing tends to be a little bit more consistent and like less volatile, again, less risky than just loading the boat, as we would say. Yes, Daniel.
I have a comment.
So comment away.
there's a member of our Discord called. So me and him have this private conversation going, and we're doing tests on dollar cost averaging versus lump sum investing versus only buying stocks when the price to earnings ratio is below a threshold. And it is almost scary how good dollar cost averaging is, and just buying every single month whenever you can with whatever cash you can get. It is incredibly hard to outperform just dollar cost averaging. And even when you do, it's like this very specific thing that we calculate out, and it beats it by like half a percentage point. And it's like, why don't you just take out all of that nonsense and just dollar cost average? And also, I think it's very good for controlling your emotions and taking the emotions out of investing, and just because the emotions of investing, like, you are your biggest enemy in the market. So if you can commit to just dollar cost averaging, you remove all of that like emotion. You don't have to care about, oh, is the stock market high right now? Is it low? If it is either one, you're just going to buy. So it just makes it so much easier.